Hey YouTubers, got a new one here. The Amazon special Bosch model 1375A 6 amp 4.5 inch angle grinder. This was $44 to the door, and we're gonna do a open box review on it. Try it out, see what we think, because we normally buy DeWalt's. I think they're up around $90 now, the ones we buy, so I could buy two of these for the price of one, which two would be kind of nice because then you don't got to change wheels as you're going along. So we're going to give this a try, let you know how we think it performs. Well, as I was saying, we're going to try this out. We're going to see if two of these is better than one DeWalt, because then you wouldn't have to change. You could leave a flap smoothing disc and a cutting disc or a grinding disc, or whatever you want to do. Wire wheel, anything. So we'll open the box. Let's see what's inside, and we'll go from there. Okay, we're doing the open box on the Bosch. We got it in here. Here's what she looks like packed. You can see in there you got a guard, a handle, instructions. Don't really need instructions in running grinders my whole career. Something about storing the handle, I don't know. Don't use handles. There's the guard, which we always use. Here is package contains the side handle. That open. My box cutter. And then we got a wrench. I hardly ever need to use a wrench. I always do it by hand, but whatever. And the two, one's the drive nut and the other one's the backup nut. I think. Handle feels good. Okay. Ooh. Die-cast head. The gearbox. What we got here? That end housing is plastic. I don't know if I'm a big fan of that. Should be okay though, I suppose. Yeah, the Bosches had this crazy angle on here. I don't know. Yes or no? Could be good. Could maybe not. So I don't know what we got going here. We got a short nut and a long nut. Put the guard on. Now the guard doesn't appear to be, where is it? Okay, drop-on style. So you gotta line it up with the notches. Oh. I can't see without my glasses. Somewhere there's a pair of notches. What sort of choochery we got going on here? There we go. This is crazy. I don't like this guard at all. What the heck we got going here? Gotta be a bit of a Houdini to put her together. No. You can't see. There's a big notch. Oh, Bosch, I don't like this at all. This looks like a pain in the ass. All I see is a bunch of notches facing the wrong way. So there, that goes on. Okay, here we go. Ow. Not a real big fan of that. But it's on. Screwdriver. Magical screwdriver. Only one kind of driver. Whoop, there it is. Look at that. Magical tools. Okay, guards on. But it's not being installed. I'm going to assume the thick one is the backup. And then the front one would be this one, or maybe I'm wrong. Let's try it this way. Just to see. And then that. Okay. That appears to be together. So we knew we had a use for the tool. And we'll plug it in, see how it feels, and then we'll try doing some blending with it. Did come with a wheel. Bosch wheel, that's got to be worth $3-4. Wrench. Instructions. Says it's 6 amps. If it's 6 amps, that would be great. That's a good size for a 4.5-inch grinder. That's a lot of motor. I'm going to do some blending here. Give it a try. See what $44 gets you nowadays. I'm left-handed, so I'm going to change the handle. Make it more comfortable. It feels a little bit plasticky and front-end heavy. Just, yeah, well, it doesn't, I don't know, with a grinder you want a little bit of front end heavy anyway, so because you want it to bear down and do some work. Run it for a second. Keep the brushes a little bit. A little bit of RPM change. You hear it or not? Okay, that's moved out a little bit. Okay. Got my, are there any safety glasses here? Pair of them safety glasses. You gotta try. $44 wonder. I don't know if you can hear me over the grinder. Doesn't vibrate real bad. Cord's a bit short. Yeah. Decal's okay, glides down nice. I'm really not a big fan of this handle. Being in this angle, I find myself grabbing the end of it like that. Maybe some guys will get used to that, I don't know, but for me, it's a little bit weird. Is it a good grinder? It feels like it's a good grinder. Feels like it'll do the job. Gearbox got like slightly warm to the touch. I like the idea that the trigger locks easy. See that? I don't know how long it'll last, but it locks nice. I've seen these used, guys trying to sell them for what cousin fucking deal was that? Anyway, guys trying to sell these on used for $50 when they're 44 brand new. I don't know. Is it a good grinder? My first initial, now you guys seen this, we did the open box. We started my first initial thoughts. I'm going to give it a 7 out of 10. It's not a DeWalt. for comparison, I got a DeWalt right here.
We prefer the bottom trigger.
Yeah, the paddle trigger on the DeWalt's nice. It's your hand is back there anyway. Here you got to reach up, turn it on, bring your hand back here. So I would definitely say, and that, you know, it doesn't got that goofy angle. I'm not going to send it back for $44. We'll keep it in the shop, but this is my first choice. Definitely. You can't go wrong with a DeWalt. We've had lots of these. I think this one is 2008. That makes it 12 years old. Yeah, that's a 2008. That's a 12-year-old grinder. So, yeah. The handle, a lot nicer texture than this. So anyway, I'm gonna grind this real quick, and then we'll call it a video. And then I'll come back on at some point and tell you guys what I think. But like I said, 7.5. It'll do the job. For $44, you're up and grinding. You don't normally grind the welds like this, but I needed something to show you. I'm hogging down on it pretty good. Yeah, I'm impressed. Job done. It's not a bad machine. Man, this is what we got here. Zercotex, some American made. Flexivit, Zercotex. Premium smoothing disc. This is a what grit that is. I can't read the grit. Feels like about 80 grit. So there it is. I don't know. That's her. The Bosch. Says so right there. $44 Amazon. I'm not going to do a crazy bolt one Bosch to another video and try to blow one up with the other, or take it apart, or melt it with a soldering gun, or do any of that stuff. I don't really care. I don't care what the plastic is. I don't care what any of that stuff is. As long as it does the job that it was designed and intended to do, and we get a reasonable amount of life on it, I really don't care. I don't care that you can't change the brushes easily. Doesn't bother me one bit. Because usually by the time I get to a set of brushes, the grinders beat all the hell anyway, so it don't matter. There you go. It's a good machine. Anyway, thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to press like, and don't forget to subscribe. And this will be the one of a few that we do. Thanks and goodbye.